How to add background sound on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add your background sound on Snapchat Streak. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you have to open your camera, and after that you will have to click the picture. From there you can use, and from there you can use the different filter. So let me use any of the filter from there and let me click the picture. So you can see that my picture is now clicked. Now if I wanted to add the music on the Snapchat, I will have to tap right here on the music icon, and after that it will give me access to the different music. So from there I will have to select any of the music. So let me select this one. You can see that this music will be added if I tap right here on the done button, and you can see this music is added now. So this is how you can easily add your music on your Snapchat. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.